Corpbiz.
The global demand for chocolate is increasing by the day. Indian chocolate is currently exported to approximately 160 countries worldwide. The total value of Indian export amounts to 138.48 million US dollars. Exporting chocolate is now a profitable business for anyone looking to make a lot of money with a small investment. In this guide, we will go over the specifics of starting a successful chocolate export business in India. Hello everyone, this is Yash Saxena and you are watching Corpbiz. Today in this video, we are going to talk about how to establish a profitable chocolate export business in India. Export of edible items from the Indian territory is subjected to certain legal obligations. One has to arrange a long list of registrations before shipping their product outside the nation. The video will tell you about some mandatory licenses required for the exportation of edible products from India. First is FSSAI food license. As per the existing legal framework, the FSSAI food license has mandated for every food business operator in India. FSSAI was founded under the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006. The ultimate objective of FSSAI is to contain illegal activities that impacts the quality and genuineness of the food item in one or other way. FSSAI food license encloses some strict compliances in relation to the quality of the food items that every FBOs need to comply without exception. The application for such a license can be made online by filling up an e-form. Next is Import-Export Code. An IEC is a basic license that every exporter and importer has to avail for shipping the product abroad. The Directorate General of Foreign Trade, aka DGFT, is solely accountable for the issuance of this license. About a few months ago, they said authority in the association with India's government introduced the new online platform for the registration of IEC license, APEDA registration. Once the applicant avails of the IEC and food license, APEDA stands for Agricultural and Processed Food Product Export Development, has played a pivotal role for the past 3 years and half decades in promoting the export of agro-based products, processed food and scheduled products. ISO 22000 certificate is a mark of global quality standard. Companies with this license can improve their standing in the competitive marketplace worldwide. ISO 22000 has a long string of compliances for assuring utmost food safety at all levels of the supply chains. Entrepreneurs, especially the manufacturer of food items, must secure this certification to successfully compete at the global level. Company registration. Company registration transforms your business into a legally established firm. If you are managing any sort of business, company registration is something you should consider in the first place rather than any other license. An organization with an unregistered presence is likely to encounter revocation of requests made in regard to IEC registration. These were all the necessary licenses and registrations, but how will you get the IEC code? First, what you have to do is from the web browser, open the website of DGFT and tap on the Apply for IEC button. A basic registration form will appear on your computer screen. Make sure to enter the requested detail with legit information and select the Send OTP button. The portal will then forward the one-time password on your email and phone numbers. Next, navigate back to the home screen of the portal and try to log in with the provided credentials. After login, you will come across an e-form related to the IEC registration. Now fill the on-screen details in the following sequence. Next, fill the appropriate details under the option called Preferred Sectors of Operation and the select Acceptance of Undertaking declaration followed by the Save and Next button and Sign tab. Next, opt for the legit method related to the form submission from the following options, that is DSC Digital Signature Certificate or Aadhaar OTP. The next step is to submit the application fees. To fulfill such a requirement, take the advantage of the payment gateway available on the portal itself. Once you are done with the payment requirement, do not forget to download the receipt and the copy of IEC certification. Technically, the import-export code works for a lifetime, which means you do not have to renew it again and again. IEC goes it to every shipping document starting from the packaging list to bill of landing. The landscape of its applicability is huge as far as legal aspect of shipping is concerned. Given domestic competition and stable global demand, exporting chocolate appears to be a profitable proposition for entrepreneurs right now. The certification listed above are must-have requirements for Indian exporters. Be wary of the product classification provided by the EXIM policies. Certain product categories are legally prohibited for export or import. It would be preferable if you hired a professional to shed some light on the critical aspect of international shipping. If you need help obtaining one of these licenses, contact Corpbiz experts right away. You can also contact us for the smooth establishment of chocolate export business. So, this was all about the topic, and for more such information, keep watching Corpbiz. This is Yash Saxena signing off.